Hello my dear student, today we are going to discuss about the topic nouns. Okay, everyone know that noun is the name of person, place, animals or things. Okay, noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So we can simply define it. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, things or idea. Okay, it is only a name. Noun is the naming word. And what is the naming word? Naming word of the person, naming word of the place, naming word of the animal, naming word of the things. You can see all around us there are the many things, many person, many place, and it has a name. Okay, it is the it will be a common name, it will be proper a particular name, or it is the material name, etc. or the name we can get from our around. Okay, so this noun is the naming word. Like a person like Ravi is a person. Riya what is person name. Okay, any place name like Delhi. Okay, Delhi what is a place name. Kola what is a place name. Any animal name like lion what is a animal name. Tiger. Okay, this is the animal name. Anything name like chalk, duster, chair, table, etc. are the word used for the things. So these names, all these names used for the nouns. Okay, so we can simply say that the noun is the name of person, place, animals or things or any idea. Okay, so these names classified in a different kind. Okay, these names define according to their what qualities. Okay, according to their form we can divide in a divide our kind, divide into separate parts like a proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. All these parts you can see that it is the classification of the noun, and all these parts is a noun. Okay, proper noun is the part of noun. Common noun, it is the also part of noun, and it is not different from to noun. Okay, all the parts you can see that all the parts is a noun parts. Okay, but it has a specificity, it has a different to each other. Okay, what is the different among these parts we can read today. Okay, first we talking about the proper noun. Okay, first we talking about the proper noun, and after that common, and then collective and abstract, after that material. Okay, so first is proper noun. Proper noun, proper noun denotes a particular person, place or things. Okay, proper noun denotes a particular, particular or specific, particular or specific person, name of person, place, animals or things. Okay, for example, Ramesh. Ramesh is a particular name. Okay, Ramesh word is a particular name. Rome, Rome is a particular name of place, particular name of place. Mount or Himalaya or Ganga is a particular name. So these type of the word used for the proper noun. Why? Because the proper noun used for a particular name. So this type of the words you can see at the board is a particular name. Okay. Why? Because this is the name that is the specified or particularly used for a person, place or things. Okay. It is used for a person, place or things. So we can say that this is the proper noun. This type of the words will be proper noun. Next, we are talking about the common noun. First, we know definition of the common noun. A common noun denotes a person, place, or things in a general, or a common name of a person, place, animals, or things. Common name of person, place, animals, or things is called common noun. For example, boy is the common name. Common name. It is the particular name, and here is the common name. Common name of any person, place, animals, or thing. Like a boy, Ramesh is a boy, Riya is a girl, Rohan is a boy, Ravi is a boy, Shashank is a boy. So boy word is used for the common. Okay. City word is a common word that this word used for the any city, like Agra is a city. Agra word is a city. Okay, Gorakhpur is a city. So this city word used for the any place. Okay, and Ganga use river. Okay, Himalaya use mountain. Okay, Himalaya is a mountain. Mount Everest is a mountain. Okay, Andes is a mountain. So these mountain word used for the every mountain. So this type of the words you can see here: mountain, boy, city, river. All these words used for not a particular person, place, or things. These type of the words used for the common one, used for the common name, like river is like Ganga is a river, Saraswati is a river, Yamuna is a river, Narmada is a river. So we can use the river word as a common. Okay, so it will be common now. Clear? So next is collective noun. Next is collective noun. What is the definition of the collective noun? A collective noun denotes a collection of people, animals, or things. Okay, collective noun refers for the group of people, animal, or things, or collection of people, animal, or things. It is the collection. Okay, like it is the group or collection. Okay, group of collection. So like a army word is a collection word. Okay, herd, 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 bunch, BUCH, cattle. Okay, swarm, etc. are the word used as a group. Team, you know very much about the teamwork. There are many players in a team. There are many players in a team. Like India, take the Indian team. So Indian team is a proper noun. Only team word is a common noun. Indian team is a proper noun and team word is a collective noun. Okay, why? Because team is a group. Okay, it is a group name. If say you Indian team, then it will be created group. Cricket team, it is the grouping name. Army, if there are one person, then it will be soldier, and soldier word is a common noun. Okay, when we make a group of soldiers, then it create a army. An army word is a collective noun. Okay, just like a team, there are a player. A player is a common word, but we can use many of the player and make a team. That team word will be collective noun and player word will be common noun. And if we call the player name like Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar word is a proper noun. Okay, so these type of the word will be like a team, army, herd, bunch, etc. are the words make a group or collection, that will be the collective noun. Clear? And now last is next is abstract noun. You can see here abstract noun. Abstract noun denotes a quality, an action, or a state of being. Okay, it is the quality. It is the express of quality, action, or state. Okay, state means childhood, childhood. Okay, any quality like beauty. Okay, beauty is the quality, and wisdom. Okay, wisdom is a quality. Honesty, honesty is a quality. Okay, just like that. If you have a honesty, if your quality is honesty, then many of the person call you honest person. Okay, so honest word is a common noun, and honesty is the quality of the honest person. It is the virtue of the honest person. So honesty word will be the abstract noun. Okay, it is the abstract noun. You are wise. Wise word is a common noun. And why you call wise? Because you have wisdom. You have wisdom, then you call wise person. So wise word will be the common word or common noun, and wisdom word will be abstract noun. Okay, and it is the express the quality of person, action, and state. Quality of person, action of the person, and state of the person, like a childhood, old, okay, youth, etc. are the word refer to state. Clear? So I hope you understand about the abstract noun. Now last is material noun. Material noun. You can see here material material noun. First we know the definition of the material noun. A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. Okay. For example, jute, copper, jute, copper, gold, water. Okay. Wool, glass, paper, etc. are the word used for the material noun. And these materials, where we get these materials direct from the nature, and the materials had, we can keep the name of the material, and that will be the material noun. You can see jute, it is the material, copper is a material, gold is a material, and what is material? Glass, wood, wool, paper, etc. are the material, and these materials have a name, and that type of the material that has a name, that is the called material noun. Okay, it means a material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. Okay, for example, jute, copper, gold, water, etc. And we can get these materials direct from the nature. Okay, so you know, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun can be used as a common noun. They are then used in the plural number or have an article placed before them. Clear? You always remember that the proper noun always start with the capital letter. Look like Ramesh. In the Ramesh, you can see here R is a capital. Room start with R and it is the capital letter. Okay. Ganga, G is start with the capital letter. Clear? And these noun has a specific. And if the abstract noun and material nouns can also be used as a common noun. Okay, material noun and abstract noun, it will be also we can use in a common noun. Okay, and they are then used in the plural number or have an article placed before them, like Mother Teresa served the poor of India. It is Mother Teresa is the proper noun, and she is the Mother Teresa of my country. And here is the Mother Teresa not for the proper noun. It will be common noun. Okay, death is a great lever. Here is the death word is the material noun, but the media reported many deaths. It is the common noun. Clear? So I hope you all understand about the noun, and we know about the nouns, what definition of noun, kinds of noun, and definition of the proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun, and how can we know about that this type of the noun. Proper is the particular name, common is the common name, collective noun is the group name or collection name, abstract noun is the quality name, action name or state name, and here is the material noun. It is the material. Okay, it is the material name, and that made by the substance. Okay, it is the material name that is the made by the substance, and if we and that type of the material we can get from the nature. Okay, so I hope you all understand of the chapter.